This meeting is being recorded.
Morning. It is a brisk Arizona morning, and I'm excited for us to start week 5 in our course. It's hard to believe we're already there. So let's take a look at week 5, professional development in action. There is one discussion this week, and it's part 2 of your professional development plan draft, and then a cover letter assignment that will be due on next Monday night. So your learning outcomes are always great to kind of give you an idea of what the focus is for this week, and the introduction, which links you back to last week's content. And again, the required resources here are the expected reading, just one this week, and the recommended are ways to enhance your understanding. And again, a really easy way for your references is just to highlight, cut, and paste, and they pop them right in because they're in APA format for you. Okay. So this week, the focus on transforming curriculum and instruction through empowering leadership, week 5. We are focusing on really making your professional development plan come to life by completing the existing components. So here's some information you'll want to, this is your weekly lesson, right? You're going to want to read through, make sure that you're clicking on all of the links here, talking about, again, what defines quality professional development for teachers, and do you have to go and get it, or can you create professional learning just within collaboration in your building or within teams working together? Is that professional learning, or is it something that you have to seek out with a sort of a lead presenter? So keep thinking about that. And then what are the components that really make up quality professional development? Okay. Cover letters. Anytime you're looking for a job, whether it's online or you're actually mailing something in, you still have to have that cover letter. And this is really our way to continue to support you as you think about your career journey that lays alongside your professional educational journey. And so working with the Ashford Career Center, they are available to help and support you. And we have layered that into our courses so that you continue to grow as a professional and thinking about what are the career choices that are right for you. There's some great sample cover letters here, a video that goes along with that you're going to want to take a look at. This week, you also have an end of course survey that you'll want to complete. We value your feedback very much and use it when we're refining our courses, as well as our own personal feedback in our instruction. All right, so discussion 1, professional development plan draft number 2. So this week, you're going to complete sections E and H of your professional development plan template that you started in the other week, week 3, sorry. Additionally, you're going to refine sections A through D. So I would have given you feedback on that already, and so you're going to want to utilize that feedback, make those changes. And you can certainly, if you're using Word, you can track changes or just make a note that you revise them so we can see that you have implemented those changes. Okay. This goes through E, F, G, and H, and the specific additional components you'll be adding to your plan. And again, take a look at these examples to make sure that you're in alignment with what's being asked of you for each section. And then the professional cover letter. Again, really thinking about all the experiences you've had. They don't have to be in a formalized work context. You know, if you're a parent, you have mad parenting skills. Don't undervalue that kind of work, volunteer work, working in your church, supporting an elderly person, neighbor, or that you're a caregiver for a parent. Those are important skills that you have. So think about the skills that it takes for some of those volunteer type of roles, or roles that you don't necessarily get paid for, and think about how you can include that in a cover letter. Let's take a peek at the specifics here, see if there's anything we missed. So again, the week 5 discussion, you're just going to read through, walk your way through each section, making sure that you have all of the necessary components. And again, that rubric is a great way to use as a checklist to make sure that you have everything there. And you're going to put your draft plan into your discussion to get feedback. And then that's what you'll be eventually submitting for your final. And then here's your cover letter. So your week 5 cover letter assignment, there's some tips here. And again, specifics of what you need to include in that assignment. And again, the grading rubric is there for your ease. If you have any questions, I'm here to support you, and I look forward to completing week 5.